Like a barn. Oh, that's definitely a branch. Really? I guess we go through here. Like directly across the road?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, and another one.
Look at these. Right across the. Can you get to that Joplin?
I don't think so.
Right down here? Well, everyone's going through over here. You got four-wheel drive on this thing?
Yes, sir.
Alright. How much gas we have?
Okay.
Alright, we're good. Dude, we're in it.
That thing went right next to us. Or, I don't think it was on us, but it was close enough to be throwing all kinds of debris everywhere.
Keep yourself safe in these storms as they move through our area. Yeah, we have another update from the National Weather Service for this tornado warning in southwest Missouri. There's a couple of them now with this particular storm, but we are getting set here to send out an update. They've extended it now till 7 p.m. For that area, and right now a Doppler radar indicated tornado in that area, and we will get set here for another report from the National Weather Service. We'll come back and continue to track this storm and continue to get you reports on the damage caused by a tornado in Joplin. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for Lawrence County in southwest Missouri, northeastern Newton County in southwest Missouri, northern Berry County in southwest Missouri, and southeastern Jasper County in southwest Missouri until moving east at 45 miles per hour. This storm is moving into Stock City. This storm has a history of producing a large, damaging tornado in Joplin, Missouri. Locations impacted include Sarcoxy, Stock City, Verona, Whitworth, and Wheelerville. Interstate. In addition to a tornado, this storm is capable of producing large damaging hail up to baseball size. This tornado warning replaces all previous warning. Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for Lawrence County, northeastern Newton County, northern Berry County, and southeastern Jasper counties, all in southwest Missouri, until 7 p.m. Stay tuned to this station for later statements and possible warnings. We now
complete information available. This is a severe weather update from the area's biggest and best severe weather network, a service of American Media Investments.
627 on your Sunday. DJ Harris alongside Joel Jarrett, Josh Douglas.
Wow, look at that one.
Severe weather center.
Look at this guy. Look at that good tree on everything.
As we have now reports of tornado damage in Joplin.